Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Technology Adda. In this video, we are going to see what is an internet, why internet was invented, and we have to see the background history of internet because it is a best example for wide area network. If you want to know about wide area network, see the last video link below in description. To get a clarity on this topic, watch this video till end without skip. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and at the same time you have to share this video to your friends. Let me see an internet. Internet is a collection of networks are connected to share data from one network to another network by using TCP/IP protocol. Here, internet is a collection of networks. Here already we know network. Network it means the collection of computers are connected to share data from one system to another system. So here the different networks are connected to transfer data from one network to another network. So that situation we are calling an internet. So TCP/IP protocol, it is a software. It contains some rules and regulations how we have to send data from one system to another system. Here protocol it means rules and regulations. So here by using TCP/IP, here we can send data from host to host. Simple. So one computer it is connected in one network that will be called as A network. Next we have one computer, it is connected in B network. A network and B network, two networks are there. In A network, system 1 is there. From system 1, I want to send data to the system 3 of B network. So here you have to see in A network A, we have a system 1. From this one, I want to send data to system 3 of B network. So these two networks are connected, but I want to send data in between two systems. This we are calling host to host. So to transmit data host to host, we have to use TCP/IP protocol. Now how the internet it is existed still, what is the background history we have for the internet? So we have to see this one. We have to see before internet or computer network how data was transferred. For this there used two methods. One is physical mode, the second one is direct cable connection. In physical mode there were used floppy disk and magnetic tapes to share data from one system to another system. It means they connected floppy or magnetic tape to computer and copied data. Then this was carried to another system and connected. Then the data was pasted into system. So like this, the data transferred in physical mode. Second one is direct cable connection. They were used some specialized software to share data from one system to another system by using cable, but the specialized softwares which were incomfortable to send data to different systems. By these two methods they have so many problems. So finally the ARPANET which is given a solution for these problems. So here ARPANET it is a project. Now we have to see about ARPANET. It was started by the US Department of Defense. So why this ARPANET was started? It means the main intention of this project is they wanted to connect different systems which are located in different areas. Here the different systems it means that systems which are manufactured by different companies and which were run by different operating systems and also which are located in different areas. This is the one of the project. So that project name is ARPANET. So which is started in the year 1960. At the same time, like ARPANET, we have different networks are there in United States at the same time world. So here we have a sum of networks like SURANET, Southern University Research Association, which is organized by Motherland University, and second network is CSNet, so which is CSNet stands for Computer Science Network, which was started by Computer Science Foundation. So like this, so many networks are there which are working their task individually. So but ARPANET, which is a root of internet, the first step was achieved by ARPANET. They were started sending data between different users in the single system. In single system, we can create the number of users. In between one user to another user, they were started transferring data. This is the first step they were achieved. Then later on, the second step they were achieved, that is connecting different systems. It means two systems, they are connected by cable and they are sending data from one system to another system. So this is the second step they were achieved. And next, they connected four systems from same location and they transferred files and text to mails from one system to another system. But here you have to see, we have to observe the first step is in within the single system they are transferred data between the users. The system is single but users are different. The data is transferred from one user to another user in single system. That is the first step. Second one is they were connected two systems by the cable and transfer data from one system to another system. These two systems which are located in same location. And the third step, which is in the year 1969, they were connected four systems which are located in the same area and they are started transfer data from one system to another system. So in this process they transferred files and the same time they transferred text to mails from one system to another system. So later this files transferring concept we are calling FTP and the mails transfer concept we are calling SMTP. These are the protocols which are identified the later. They are given names for this one later, but the task is started in the year 1969. The files transferring, mails transferring, which is started in the year 1969. So here within the same location they are connecting number of systems and transfer data from one system to another system. This concept we are calling LAN. So this LAN concept which is started in the year 1969, but the goal of ARPA was different. That is, different systems are located in different areas, were connected and transfer data between them. So but these targets they were achieved in the year 1970 because here they were developed TCP IP software. This we are calling protocol. So this was developed in the year 1970. So by this one they are connected number of systems which are located from number of areas and transfer data from one system to another system. After TCP IP developed, they connected SuraNet, CSNet with ARPANET and they shared their data in between these networks. So now concept we are calling internet. We saw the definition, that is internet is a collection of networks are connected to share data from one system to another system by using TCP IP. So here this TCP IP which is developed in the year 1970, from onwards we have an internet. You have to remember it. When the internet TCP IP was invented, then that time onwards we are calling the internet. Here TCP IP, transmission control protocol, and IP, internet protocol. These two are different protocols which are used to transmit data from host to host. So in one location, one LAN, we have one system. From that system I want to send data to the another system. So this is located in another network. So in this situation, by using TCP IP internet protocol, so by using this one we can transfer data between systems. FTP, files transfer protocol, which is used to transfer files, and SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, which is used to transmit mails. And these two protocols which are developed in the year 1971, already which are started in the year 1969, but the name was given in the year 1971. So before these two we have TCP IP, that is transmission control protocol, and internet protocol. These two are two different protocols which are used to transfer data between the host to host. And here it is a software. It contains the rules and regulations how we have to send the data in between systems. So this is about internet. In the next class we see the World Wide Web. web. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel by clicking the bell icon on right side for latest notifications. For this content PDF, I provided my website link in description. You can download it from my website. And we post our content regularly on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. To join here, you have to click on links